Amazing Australian farmers produce thousands of tons of mangoes this way. Agriculture technology. Hello everyone, are you a mango lover? Let us know by commenting. Today, we will go to a mango farm in Australia to see how they cultivate and harvest this fruit. With a large cultivation area, the farms here usually harvest about 40,000 tons of mangoes per year. Late spring is the best time when farmers here start planting new mango trees. Seedlings are transported to the place for planting. Steel wire is used to help keep the mango tree steady and grow without tilting. The time from planting mango to harvesting on these farms is usually about 2 to 3 years. This is when the mango tree here blooms, and it takes about 105 more days to start the harvesting process. These mangoes are ready for the new harvest season. They are big and beautiful. Depending on the height of the mango tree, farmers here will use different harvesting methods. Do you want to go to a big mango farm like this? It's very interesting. As of June 2020, mango production in Australia is 72,000 tons, worth $185 million. Australia is a major exporter of fresh fruit. Exports have skyrocketed in the past few years. As of June 2020, Australia has exported 7,707 tons of this fruit. Tons of mangoes after harvest will be sent to factories for packaging or for mango juice production. At this factory, mangoes are washed, sorted, and packed before being shipped to supermarkets in the country. In addition, tons of mangoes here will also be exported to other countries. How do you feel about growing and harvesting mangoes in this video? Let us know what you think in the comment section of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.